So Ben and his dad have done a really good job in stripping the van out. They've taken the ply lining off, even ripped the floor up. Then Anna came in and blitzed the van. It is so clean, it's like a brand new one inside. Unbelievable. So my first job is to cut out and put windows in. We're putting a window over here which is going to be above our kitchen area, so it's going to be a sliding window, and then I'm going to fit a window to the sliding door which is going to be a fixed window. We're in the JK warehouse and I'm looking for glass. I hear you say, but it's not a VW. We don't only do VW glass, we do pretty much every van you can think of. So even starting here, I can see we've got Dispatch, Expert, we've got Ford Transits, we've got Peugeot Boxsters, Citroen Relays, you name it, we've got it. VW Caddy, VW obviously, and our Renault Masters, our Nissans, the whole range. But what we're looking for is a Mercedes medium wheelbase Sprinter. So let's have a look. Medium wheelbase, Mercedes Sprinter, near side tinted glass. That's exactly what we need. Let's pull that out. I've got the glass, I've got my primer, I've got my wipes and the applicators. All I need now is the glue. I'm going to need 2 per window. So we get 4 of these. Right, now we just need to go and find the trim. Here we are. That's the trim I need. Perfect. Right, let's get outside and get those holes cut. So my plan of action is to drill through from the inside. Obviously we've got our template using the original structure of the van. So I'm going to drill through and then use the jigsaw. I'm going to try and cut as much out as possible with the jigsaw. If I need to revert to the angle grinder, then I will, but let's crack on with this and see how much we can do. That's the body cut, ready to receive the windows. It's like minus temperatures now and it's getting towards the evening. So I'm going to get the van inside and get the bonding going. Otherwise the bond is not going to take. We've left it overnight for the bond to cure up properly. Now brought it outside for you guys to have a look. This is the fixed window in the sliding door. This is the sliding window as it's going to be next to the kitchen. Works perfectly. Excellent. So the next thing is to fit our Fiamma roof vent. So we've got the crystal version here, nice and clear. This will get a bit of light inside the van. We've got a turbo kit here that actually fits in the top, and it's very simple, just slots in, and what that'll do is actually aid airflow through our air vent. So it comes with instructions and our set of screws, and I noticed in the instructions what it's telling me is I need to fit a piece of wood between the 2 parts and the roof of the van. So this actually slides off, like so, and we're going to make a battened frame section that will fit up into the roof and allow everything to compress together and seal up nicely. This is our completed wood frame, and as simple as that, it fits in there like so. And obviously on the van this will be on the underside and this will be on the top side. So I've marked where our roof vent is going to go. It's going in this panel here in the centre, and I've just literally drawn around the inside of my frame, so that's the size of the hole I need to cut out. I've located it there so we've got maximum airflow from the front of the vehicle, so we've got a good air draw all the way through. Now I'm going to drill up through from underneath in the corners, which will give me my reference point for on top, and then I can go upstairs and cut it out with a jigsaw. So the hole's cut. The next thing I need to do is, if there's any body pressings, we're just going to straighten those out and just ease our fitment of our fan from above. So with a pair of flat jaw pliers, just going to straighten out our panel like so. Next, file off any sharp edges. The last little bit of preparation before we put our skylight in is to go around those bare edges with a drop of paint, just to stop any corrosion. Test fit, make sure it fits before I put the sealer on. Look at that, perfect. And I can just check that my wooden frame fits round too. Perfect. Excellent, let's seal it up and get it in. So our next part is to degrease around the roof so our bond can stick to it. So we're just going to use a little bit of spirit wipe. Just make sure we leave all of that. And then a bit on the skylight itself as well. So I'm going to apply the sealer or the bond to our roof vent. There's a lovely little recess already here for us to apply the sealer to. So that's what we'll do, go around. And next we're going to carefully drop it in from above. So make sure I get it around the right way. Just that way. Give it a gentle squeeze, and then we need to go inside and finish off from indoors. So next I'm going to pop our frame up, and I've actually put a little bit of bond on the frame as well, just to hold it into place. So we should carefully. So next I just need to plug our electrical connector in. That's good. And for the final piece, we can fit our fly screen. So it just sort of hinges up into position and should just, oh look at that, just clip into place, clip that little bit in, job done. Open the hatch, select fan. Excellent. So that's blowing it in, and that's sucking it out. How awesome is that? I'm really pleased. That's the windows and the Fiamma vent fitted. Next time we're going to be catching up with Ben and Anna and see how they're getting on. So join us next time, 7 PM.